Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Hometainment. Today we are preparing a new recipe that is so delicious and tempting with a surprise egg inside. We will coat them with mixture of ground beef and spices, and we will prepare Nargisi kofta curry with ground beef. We need following ingredients. You can see them in the description. Let's prepare some ingredients first. Take about 4 tablespoons of roasted bangel grams and grind them to make powder. Now take about 4 tablespoons of cashew nuts and also grind them in the grinder. Powder should be fine enough to make a thick paste. With yogurt, take 4 tablespoons of yogurt and mix or blend in the blender. Now take a pan with enough water and boil it. Add about 5 eggs one by one into this boiling water. Add about 1 tablespoon of salt and then let eggs boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. When the eggs get hard, remove them from boiling water and add into chilled water pan to cool. This will help in removing their peels very easily. Let's start our recipe. We will divide this recipe into 3 sets. First we will prepare our gravy, then Nargisi koftas, and then mixing of koftas and gravy to make Nargisi kofta curry. Our first step is the preparation of gravy. For this we will take a pan, add oil about quarter cup. Let it hot on a low flame, then add chopped onions. Stir continuously until onions get golden brown. The flame should be very low, otherwise some of the onions will get burnt and some will remain uncooked. We will use these onions in making kofta mixture. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and cook on low flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Just saute this mixture. Now add 1 cup chopped tomatoes or tomato puree. Let it cook until the oil separates. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Next step is the preparation of Nargisi kofte with egg. For this we need 500 grams ground beef, 2 tablespoons of fried onions chopped, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, about 1 tablespoon red chili flakes and red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, fresh coriander chopped with green chilies, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and mix all the ingredients. To make more smooth paste, let it grind. Smoothness of mixture is very important as it will not break when the mixture is smooth. We have to coat this mixture on eggs. After grinding, add roasted gram powder, 1 raw egg, and then knead all the ingredients again. This will make thick paste. Let it rest for about 30 minutes. Now it's time to coat these hard-boiled eggs that are now cool enough. For this, make small bowl and then flatten it. The mince should be enough so that it can cover the whole egg completely. If some place is left, cover it with more mince mixture and smooth all the surfaces so that no crack will be seen. If there is a crack, it will open while frying or cooking. Look, the whole surface is now smooth and we cannot see any crack. Make all Nargisi koftes and set them aside for 10 minutes. Oil in a pan and check its hotness by dipping shashlik stick. If it's bubbles, then it's ready to cook. Add in this oil all Nargisi koftas one by one very gently so that they will not break. Let it cook. Please do not stir, otherwise there is a chance that you will break the coating. When they cook from the one side, turn their side so other side can be cooked. Third step is mixing of koftas and curry. When kofta attain their color, remove koftas from the oil and add them in the gravy masala that we have prepared earlier. Mix and add water, about 750 ml. Now close the pressure cooker and let whistle blow. Whistle will blow about 20 minutes. Then release the pressure, turn off the flame. Add butter, about 100 grams or 50 grams. It's up to you. This is just for making more delicious. Add cashew yogurt paste and cook for about 10 minutes on a very low flame while it's covered. Now, Nargisi koftas are ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.